Nature Intended Cooling. Welcome to Nature Intended Cooling, where tradition meets sustainability. No air conditioners here, just terracotta tiles, the shade of trees, and the gentle mist of water. This age-old method creates a naturally cool, breathable space inside, even in peak summer. It's energy-free, carbon-light, and deeply connected to the land. At EcoPlanet Farm, we don't just grow food, we grow ideas for a cooler, greener future. Let's rediscover the wisdom our ancestors built into every brick and brick.